Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best under-cabinet lighting options that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, illuminating your closet, or adding a touch of class to your shelves, these products have you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the EZ-Valo 6-pack under-cabinet lighting with charging station. What sets this product apart is its versatile motion sensing capabilities and the included charging station, which can power multiple lights at once. With 3 lighting modes, day mode, night mode, and always-on mode, this product adapts to your specific needs, whether you're prepping dinner or navigating your kitchen late at night. The added convenience of a remote control for brightness, color temperature, and timers makes it an excellent choice for tech-savvy users. The build quality is solid, with a sleek, modern design using durable ABS plastic. The 9-inch lights feature adjustable color temperatures ranging from a warm 3000 K to a crisp 5700 K and 3 brightness levels. They offer customizability for any setting, whether you want a relaxing ambiance or task lighting. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 45 days in auto mode and 11 hours on maximum brightness in always-on mode. Plus, the docking station doubles as a charging hub for other devices, adding extra value. While this product offers a lot of features, the brightness output of 100 lumens per light might not be sufficient for larger spaces. Additionally, the adhesive mounting system, while easy to install, might not be ideal for textured surfaces. Overall, the EZ-Valo 6-pack is perfect for anyone seeking a multifunctional and easy-to-use lighting solution for smaller areas. And number 4, we have the EZ-Valo 6-pack rechargeable motion sensor puck lights. If you're looking for a bit of flair alongside functionality, these lights are a great pick. The standout feature here is the multicolor capability, 12 vibrant RGB colors and 3 white color temperatures, 3000 K, 4200 K, and 6500 K. Whether you're hosting a party or just want a cozy vibe for your evening, these lights have you covered with their dynamic flash and fade modes. The design is compact and modern, with a puck-style form that's perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your cabinets, shelves, or even display cases. Powered by 1000 amp-hour rechargeable batteries, these lights can last up to 45 days in motion sensing mode. The motion sensor is highly responsive, offering 3 modes: day mode, night mode, and always on. The included remote makes it easy to adjust brightness, change colors, or set timers. Installation is a breeze with magnetic mounts and adhesive plates. However, the brightness output is only 50 lumens per light, so they're better suited for decorative purposes rather than primary task lighting. Also, the smaller battery capacity means they might require more frequent charging compared to other options. Overall, these puck lights are ideal for anyone looking to add a splash of color and convenience to their space. Taking the 3rd spot is the EZ-Valo 5-pack under-cabinet lighting. This set is a fantastic choice for those who want a combination of performance and convenience. Each light is equipped with a 2200 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 45 days of use in motion sensor mode. The 3 adjustable color temperatures, 3000 K, 4500 K, and 6500 K, allow you to customize the lighting to suit your mood or task. The brightness is also adjustable, ranging from 10% to 100%, giving you full control over your lighting needs. The design is sleek and modern, crafted from durable aluminum and impact-resistant ABS plastic. The motion sensor is one of the most responsive in this lineup, with a 12-foot detection range and a quick activation time of just 0.1 seconds. The inclusion of a remote control is a big plus, allowing you to easily switch between modes, adjust brightness, and even set timers. While the brightness level of 120 lumens may not be as high as some might prefer, it's more than adequate for most under-cabinet applications. The higher battery capacity means less frequent charging, which is a huge convenience. However, the lack of included batteries for the remote might be a slight inconvenience. Overall, this set is ideal for those who want a reliable and feature-packed lighting solution for their kitchen or workspace. Coming in at number 2 is the Gritton 10.2-inch rechargeable under-cabinet lighting. This product is an excellent choice for those who need bright, reliable lighting with plenty of customization options. With 84 LEDs per light and a maximum brightness of 2,000 lumens, this set is the brightest on our list. The adjustable color temperatures, 3000K, 4500K, and 6000K, combined with 5 brightness levels, make it incredibly versatile for various tasks and environments. The design is both durable and stylish, featuring a combination of aluminum alloy and ABS plastic. The motion sensor is highly effective, detecting motion within 10 feet and shutting off after 20 seconds of inactivity. 4 lighting modes, including night sensing and daytime sensing, allow you to tailor the functionality to your needs. The 1800 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 45 days of use in sensor mode, reducing the need for frequent recharging. While this product offers superior brightness, it's slightly heavier than other options, which might make it less suitable for certain installations. Additionally, the stepless dimming feature requires a bit of a learning curve. However, if brightness and flexibility are your top priorities, the Gritton set is hard to beat. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the MCGOR 10-inch under-cabinet lighting. This set earns its place as the best overall option thanks to its balance of features, design, and performance. The motion sensor is highly responsive, with a 120-degree detection angle and a range of 10 feet. The auto-off function, after 20 seconds of inactivity, ensures energy efficiency. You can also switch to always-on mode for continuous lighting during tasks like meal preparation or reading. The design is sleek and minimal, with a frosted cover that diffuses light evenly and reduces glare. The 5 brightness levels, ranging from 10% to 100%, allow you to customize the lighting for any scenario. With 40 energy-saving LEDs per light, the brightness of 180 lumens is perfect for both task and ambient lighting. The 1800 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 30 days in motion sensor mode, and recharging via USB-C is quick and convenient. One of the standout features is the ease of installation. The strong magnetic backing allows you to attach the lights to any metal surface, and the included adhesive plates make them easy to mount on non-metal surfaces. While it may not have the highest brightness on this list, the MCGOR set excels in versatility, ease of use, and overall value. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and well-rounded under-cabinet lighting solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.